Ma'am Febe, thank you is not enough to express how grateful am I for your support, assistance, guidance, and willingness to help, which made a significant difference in me, our learners, the school, and the community within our reach. I truly appreciate the time and effort you invested. It has been a pleasure to work with you, and I am grateful for the opportunity to learn from your experience and expertise. Your professionalism and kindness are greatly valued. Being under your leadership is worth remembering, for you shared and instilled upon me that love, respect, unity, positive values, and are needed to reach our goals. You showed us the traits that are worth emulating. Thank you again, and I look forward for being with you around. Mom, goodbye. I hate to see you go, but have a good time. Good luck, good health, God bless you. That's all my heart can say. Good luck, good health, God bless you, and guide you on your way, no matter where you wander, as long as we're apart. Good luck, good health, God bless you and keep you still in my heart.
Hello, ma'am. Nagragsak iti riknak idi amok nga sika ti umay nga school head me. Thank you, Lord, kung nagtagbaliw mo lahat school head me. New environment konak. Since DJ riknak, aging gana ita, isulat tama mahanga pulos nagbaliw. The way iti pinakidil mo kanyami nga teachers mo, oreg sa saro nung reports, oreg sa saro nung pa-contest, hanggang ma-pressure nga agubra. Nalagan lata iti Rick na ma'am nga aga-accomplish kadagita nga reports. Aga po is siguro iti leadership mo nga napintas. Kan for sure nga hangko nga malipatan king ka ma'am, dagi panang pakpakumusta mo kanyak, no, adda iti health problem ko, dagiti jokes mo ma'am, nga unlimited jokes, kan dagiti instant nga pantay jirwar, no makalagip tayo pantay jirwar, mga jirwar, ag boya iti sine, orehana nga makasurot no daduma. Nga madala ang may samam nga dyan na pagusto ang king ka. Joke. Idegreter ni manang ani. Kung nagking ka idi, ma'am. Ma'am, applya ma'am mo ti grade 3. Takait ko pumawang agbaliw iti environment na. Iti panangisuro. Kung namin idi kanyak, ma'am, haan grace that you're capable in teaching grade 1. Thank you, ma'am, tamakitan iti worth, iti panangisurok iti grade 1. Kat nakonak iti bagik, siguro dito ya grade 1 nga agritiran palubos ni Apo. Kat, sige nga rod, ma'am, good luck, iti eskwela nga papanam. After 2 to 3 years, ma'am, sublikan to man dito ayan min barang hangkan to pa nga retire. I love you, ma'am. See you around. Bye.
To a very kind person, Ma'am Bebe Barot, thank you for all the kindness, support, and wonderful memories. As you begin a new journey in another place, I wish you happiness, success, and good health. You will surely be missed. May God bless and guide you wherever you go. Good luck and take care always.
Ma'am Pebe, behind every success of the school is a brilliant principal whose leadership transform challenges into opportunities and dreams into achievements. Ma'am, you're one of a kind. Idihan tapayag kadua Ma'am Bebe, kunak sa pinakong mata, mapadas kunto nga pagprinsipalan ni Ma'am Bebe. And times come after all the struggles that passed. Ikaw yung ibinigay ni Lord para maghilom yung mga puso na nasugatan. Thank you for that opportunity that you come in the hardest time. Ma'am, I cannot say thank you is not enough. To have you. I learned a lot from you. Not only in the base of being a teacher, but also as a person, a mother, a fellow worker, as a human. I can say that I am a strong woman, but hindi nagkaduwata, ma'am, the more stronger that I am. Thank you for all the advices sa lahat ng samahan natin. You're one call away, ma'am. And I'm so much thankful for that. It's not being you're our boss, but you are also a mother, a sister, and a very nice companion at all. Ting kay papanaw dito eskwela tayo nga Santa Cruz, ma'am. Medyo narigat. It's not easy that we can say goodbye to you because marami ka pang plano just to improve the school, to be more achievement, more accomplishments. But it times come na hindi natin talaga ito may stop or maprolong pa. Adun to ti tiyempo, ma'am, nga makawa kami. Adun to dagiti tiyempo nga birbirukon mi. Dagiti awis mo, iti oraan yaman nga oras. Dagiti tiyempo nga mamati ka, iti amin nga kakayahan mi nga teachers mo. Even though it is mamati tayo nga haan nga narigat nga mapasamak, but because of you, we did it very much. And with that accomplishment, we have lots of successful events that we have encountered in our life. No agsina tayo man itilandas dito yung school, I know nga makamat da kalata, I know nga maawagan da kalata. But in a sense na iba na yung boss or hindi na ikaw yung nagiging boss namin dito sa school, maybe we can adan to ba inmin, ma'am. Pero sa payla kumata, that hindrance will be haan nga mapasama. Amin dagitoy, ma'am, ang kurang iti ko na ni Sir Ruel nga 3 minutes no less. Katawaan na kidibaga na nga 5 minutes to nga taking ka ko na ang kurang, ma'am ko. Because I know 1 hour is not also enough to make stories about the good things. Even though it's not only a good things, it's also a struggle in life. Ay, but Ma'am Pebe, ikaw ang the best of everything. You're fabulous, you're elegant, you're beautiful, and you are very much enchanted. Ma'am Pebe, I love you so much. Thank you, iti amin. I cannot ang kurang thank you, pero that's the most pleasing that I can say to you. See you around, ma'am. I hope that you can again call me Mamay Inta Manje Robinson, Mamay Inta Yun JSM, Mamay Intan Makipunsyon. I will still wait for those calls, ma'am, and texts. Love you, Ma'am Pebe.
Hello, best mom. Again. So, I just want to express my deepest gratitude for your leadership to Santa Cruz Elementary School. Under your guidance, our school didn't just grow in facilities and programs. We grew in values, unity, and excellence. Your vision, compassion for learners, and support to us teachers and parents have made us lasting impact on all of us. While we sad to see you go, we are also excited for the new school and community that will benefit from your leadership. You will be missed, but your legacy will be remain. Sapay la ko mamam, nga hangad ay iti maudi nga panag kakadwa tayo. Dakaman ti sa baling nga school, you're always our nanang, or our great mother. Thank you. Ka amin. May saka kadagiti nakarikna ati ayat ni may nga ina handang tumulong at ipaglaban ng kanyang anak. Mamimis ka kanto, ma'am. And wishing you all the best and continuous success in your new assignment. May God bless you more in your career. Kita kanto plus malipatan, ma'am. Agkakadwa tayo tulad tayo, you're always our inang. Message sulatan ken call.
Hello, Ma'am Pebe. As you prepare to begin a new chapter in other school, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude for everything you have done for me, ma'am. You have been more than just a principal. You have been a friend, a mentor, and a mother figure. Ni, kitang manday tuy kung kunam no pa, ma'am. Kano daduma, ibagampay, ma'am, libre dayta, awan bayad na bes. Kung kunam lata, ma'am. Kano daduma, ma'am, no kikay time tayo, sikat imang kidkiday kada kami. Sa amin to ibaga, ag-lipstick kayo mo ta bes, kung kunam, ma'am. Saan ka pa makakakita ng ganyang principal? Kundi si Ma'am Pebe lang yan, wala nang iba. Your kindness, understanding, and supportive leadership created working environment where we could do our task without stress. Talagang walang stress, ma'am. You always encourage us to grow professionally and believe in our abilities. Ala, ag-apply kayo ket di. Tapno ma-promote kayo amin kun kunam latta, ma'am. I will truly miss your warm smile, your caring heart, and the way you treated everyone with respect and compassion. Your presence made our school feel like a family. Although it is difficult to say goodbye, ngam kasko na ni Sir Ruel, may mission ka pa sa ibang school. Dahil sa administrative skills mo. Kaya thank you, ma'am, tanapagrimat mo nga usto ti eskwela tayo. Thank you for your guidance, encouragement, and the many lessons you have shared with us. The impact you have made will remain in our hearts. May God continue to bless with good health, happiness, and success in your new school. You will always be remembered, appreciated, and greatly missed. Thank you, Ma'am Pebe. God bless you always. Kail-iliw da kanto unay-unay, ma'am, to school tayo. I love you, Ma'am Pebe.
Hello, Ma'am. Hello, Ma'am Pebe. It's so hard to say goodbye to a leader like you, but I want to take this opportunity to thank you from the bottom of my heart. When I was still new to the department, I felt so overwhelmed and uncertain, but you were there to guide me every step of the way, patiently supporting me until I finally found my footing and adjusted. I will never forget your kindness during that time. Thank you for your unwavering trust and for truly believing in my potential, even when I was still doubting myself. Beyond being an outstanding administrator, you became a true friend and felt just like a family to me. Your open door, your willing ear, and your caring heart made this school a second home. As you transfer to your new school, please know that the confidence and the guidance you gave me are things I will carry with me forever. They are incredibly lucky to have you. I will miss you terribly. I love you, Mom.
Hello, ma'am. Congratulations on your new school assignment. Thank you for your excellent leadership. Your vision and dedication kept us tinampatintas sa Santa Cruz Elementary School. Best of luck on your new school assignment, ma'am. You're the coolest school head. Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, Ma'am Febe. Umuna ti amin, Ma'am. Thank you, pasikati mo na naging principal ko dito, Ilocos. Thank you, Ma'am. Ti panagayat mo kanyami. Panagayat mo kanyami nga teachers mo nga pantay-pantay. Marik nami, Ma'am, launay. Ti panagayat mo kanyami, Ma'am. Thank you po. Kan mamiss ko, Ma'am, dagiti. Mamiss ko to, Ma'am, dagiti. Pinagduganggay tayo na pa, Ma'am, nga kaslahan tayo nga ati kasla ko magbabarkada tayo lang, Ma'am. Dito ko na rin na, Ma'am, nga ti school head nga kaslang barkada ti turing na kadagiti teachers na DJ han na kaya nga dati may dumduma dito ko nga na rin na, Ma'am, kaya thank you, Ma'am. Mamiss ko to dagiti ko bigla ang lakad tayo. Intayon ag Robinson, intayon ag SM. Mamiss ko to dagiti, Ma'am. See you around, Ma'am. Thank you ti amin, Ma'am. Love you.
Hello, Ma'am ko. You are the fashionista principal with a heart. Mom, it is hard to find the right words to express how grateful I am for having met someone as caring, loving, and dedicated as you, Ma'am ko. Although I have only been in this school for a month, the impact you have made on my life is beyond measure. It feels like fate that after being my principal 16 years ago, I was blessed to work under your leadership once again. You were not just my principal, but my advisor, my mentor, my best, and mother figure whose kindness and support I will always treasure. From the very beginning, you made me feel welcomed, valued, and at home. Your genuine concern for others and your selfless heart are qualities that make you truly special. Mom ko, what touches me even more is the love and care you have shown to my Wancho. Not everyone has the gift of making a child feel loved and important, but you did it effortlessly, Mom. Mamimiss na kanto, Mom ko. For that, I will always be thankful. Thank you, Mom, for every word of encouragement, every smile, every act of kindness, and every moment you shared with us. The time may have been short, but the memories and lessons you left in my heart will remain forever. May God continue to bless you with good health, happiness, strength, and success in your school, Mom ko. We love you, Mom, and we will surely miss you.